guys, today we are going to visit one of the mall here that I want to purchase some of the things from the mall. So we are going to take the lift here. See that? It's close to my room. We have this lift here. So mostly we are using this one just to go down here. Okay, so we are going here. So see that this one is our lift for our room. So we are going to our metros. We are going to our mall now. So it's quite dark here, you can see. But I will show you all outside part of my room right here. So you can see in this one. So once you come out from the lift, this one is the lift behind me. Once you come out of the lift, you will get this passage out here. So actually you can walk from stairs also. So we have stairs to go up to the first, second, third floor. Okay, so you can go from there, or you can just come from out here to this okay. So this one is our outside part of the room. So it is completely air conditioned, so it's not an issue. So this one is the outside area. I just come out from my room and just I'm going to one of the supermarket that I want to purchase some of my things. Okay, I'll show you all supermarket as well. This one is the outside area here, guys. We came from our room. This one is the road, guys. This one is around Al Ghubaiba area. It's metro station from here. You will get Al Ghubaiba metro station and Bujman. There we have one more metro station. Two metro stations. They are nearly closed from my room. So in actually you can walk by from my room to your metro station. You actually don't need to take taxi or any buses from here. Okay? Because if you are taking taxis, they will charge you a lot more. See guys, these people, how they are working. They are working really nicely, and the person who is giving tip to him. So they are cleaning roads and everything out here. See, the rich people, they are also kind here. So if you are cleaning street, if you are just doing some social work here, people always definitely they will tip you here. Because they are rich and kind people. Not all are same, but mostly I found the people, they are rich and kind. They are helping poor people here, those who are working outside in such a heat. If you're coming out here, na guys, it's really danger heat outside. So I'm going one of the supermarket. I will show you one supermarket from inside. See that I'm going to cross the road. You're just not allowed to cross the road directly. Just see the cars how they are crossing, then cross the road. See guys, we are out here. It's literally danger outside. It is also like around 30-40 around temperature. So if you're going to stay out here for more time, it will be really dangerous. That you cannot feel good out here. So you must mostly need to enter into the shops or like mall, or you must have to get back to your room. Okay, so we are going to purchase some of the things from supermarket. Okay, so I'll show you all that supermarkets and stuff which are inside available. See that guys, we have one of the supermarket around this vicinity. We have a lot of supermarket. Okay, so Madhur, this one is the Indian supermarket. So you will get so many things inside this supermarket. I will show you all. I want to purchase some of the things here. So I'm here. So this one is exit. Sorry, I went to the exit. Now I'm here at the entrance. I want to purchase some of the things. super crazy.
Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Jeep's great for me.
This type of the varieties available here. Let me see what is from the other side. Okay, this one is closed. You can see, guys, you will get the Indian cookies. Everything here. Now see that all the cashews, all dry fruits, everything available here. So Indian chocolates, these are the really nice one. I taste these ones. They are really nice in taste and pure chocolate, pure cocoa chocolate. So it's not like Indian, they are use another mixed stuff and then they are selling. It's not allowed here. They have really strict rules. You won't get anything mixed. You will get all pure thing. So that's why Dubai is really nice place. I purchased some of the material from that supermarket. Mostly the people, they are not allowing to record inside the supermarket. So, but I recorded some of the clips that I just want to show you all how the supermarket look like from inside. Mostly the prices inside supermarket, they are okay. It's not that much higher cost, but compared than India, definitely these are having a lot of price. So okay, I see that in my hand I purchased some of the material, some stuff from the supermarket, like a bread, some rice, and some of the Indian sweets I purchased. Okay, see that, guys. In Dubai, mostly eating in hotel, they are not the always option, because mostly in a hotel you will get the oily food, they are not good for your health. And if you want to sustain for a long time here in Dubai, UAE, so you must have to learn to prepare by your hand. Okay, so prepare your food by your hand and then eat. This one will be the good and beneficial for your health also, and plus you can save the money also. Okay, it won't take much time, just 1 hour more than sufficient to build, just to prepare your food and everything. So mostly I prefer to prepare by my hand. Okay, so I just don't like to go out there and eat from hotel, because they are mostly oily food and not well prepared. They are not taking properly care. Okay, so if you are planning good hotel, then it is okay, but they are charging too much. Okay, so better than this, you must prepare by your hand, and this one is good for your health. See, guys, I purchased some of the material that I'm going back to my room now. Okay, see that this is the entrance that it's come here, front down of here in my room. Okay, mostly, and right now I'm staying in like one of the good mall, like it is like mall. So you'll get the grocery stores here and other shops too. Okay, so if you want, you can go by lift, and if you want, you can walk by stairs also. So as I have some of the material in my hand, mostly I feel like to use the stair. Okay, so see that lift is coming, so we are going back to our room. Okay, so let's see, we are going to our room now. Okay. This one is the way to my room. These are really posh room, guys. So if you want posh room, they will charge you much more. See that this one is my room. I'm staying here in my room. This one is my room here. Okay, I will show you inside, from inside later on, because it's right now it's not that good.